All right, today we're going to make a quick fix on the Sprinter van. I know it doesn't look like it, but we've got a storm coming in this afternoon and I want to be able to drive the van. And as you last saw, we put on the new 265/70 R17s and we were getting a lot of wheel rub in on the mud flaps. So we're going to go ahead and take those mud flaps off, free it up so we can drive the van, and later on put on the mud flap relocation kit. All right, this is a really easy fix. Once you turn the wheel to give you access to all of the bolts and screws, you'll need a T25 Torx head and a 10 millimeter socket. You've got the two screws here, one bolt in the back and one bolt underneath. Let's get it done. After removing the mud flap, I would recommend reinstalling the screws that hold the main mud guard portion of the wheel well on. This will help mitigate any risk of that flap getting caught in the tire and pulled off before you have a chance to relocate your mud flaps. Like I said, that was a pretty quick and easy fix, getting the mud flaps off. You can see where we were getting a lot of rubbing where the mud flap bumps out. Hopefully with this removed now, we'll have ample room until we can get our mud flap relocation brackets put on. Hope you found this helpful. See you next time.